Hey everybody, it's Miss A, and I wanted to put up what we did for science today. The students are supposed to listen to me read and take notes. They do have a quiz on the topic of speed on Monday. Look at the track below. Suppose you follow path and walk halfway around the track. That is the distance of about 200 meters. Now suppose you take the path 2 and walk across the middle of the field to get to the other side of the track. The distance is about 70 meters. The starting place and ending place of both paths are the same, but the distance are very different. Distance is the measure of how far something moves, like you, around a track. So the purpose of this page is to figure out the main idea of this page. The students should say what this page is talking about and take notes from here. Runners in the race all go the same distance. The fastest runner takes the shortest amount of time to finish the race. The slowest runner takes the longest amount of time to finish the race. The fastest runner has a greater speed than the slowest runner. Speed is a way to describe how fast a runner moves. The speed of runners determined by finding out how much time it takes the runner to move a certain distance. So on this page, they would have to determine what this page was specifically talking about as well. And the combination of these two pages would give them the answer to their exit ticket. Now here's another part of speed. How to calculate speed. How can you find a runner's speed? You need to know two things. First, you need to know the distance, how far the runner went. Second, you need to know how much time it took the runner to finish the race. Suppose the runner goes 400 meters. The runner takes 100 seconds to go that far. How do you figure out the runner's speed? You divide the distance, 400 meters, by the time, 100 meters. And then there's the formula. The speed of the runner is 4 meters per second. The one way to measure speed is to use the stopwatch. The stopwatch is a good tool for measuring time. It takes the object to go a certain distance. So one of the things that we did note in our notebooks, not everyone got that far, was how do we measure time, because one of the pages talks about time, and how do we measure distance? What units do we use? Here you see they used meters and seconds. And when they do this, when you divide two different units, it has to be one unit, the first one, per means the division, second. Objects move at different speeds. People on bikes can go faster than people can walk. Machines help people get from one place to another faster. The chart shows the speeds of different ways of traveling. Many machines have tools that show their speeds. For example, cars have a speedometer. Speedometers describe speed in kilometers per hour and miles per hour. Distance is measured in kilometers and miles by an odometer. Time can be measured in hours and seconds. A car that goes 50 kilometers per hour takes 1 hour to go 50 kilometers. Speed also describes how far an object travels in a certain amount of time. Can you run faster than a dog? Probably not, but you probably can run faster than a land turtle. Animals move at different speeds. Cheetahs can run faster than any other animal. They can run as fast as a car moving on a highway. Some birds can fly even faster. Other animals move fast for their size. Ants might seem to move slowly. Their tiny legs actually have to move very quickly to move as fast as they do. How can you tell if an animal moves fast? A fast animal can go a long distance in a short time. Animals like greyhounds do not move at the same speed all the time. Greyhounds run very fast, but they do not run all the time. Usually they walk slower than they run. You also move at different speeds when you are in motion. Think about how you run. You go at the same speed some of the time. Other times you run faster. Sometimes you run slower. And their exit ticket, which Several students did do this, but some students did not. Their exit ticket is to answer number 1 only. What 2 measurements do you need to find an object's speed? And that needs to be answered on the blue sticky note with lines. I provided them with that. They do need to take notes and study. They do have a quiz on speed on Monday. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, let me know.